Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can move application from internal storage to SD card on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, we have to open settings application on our Android phone. So this is my settings application and I'm tapping on it. Then we can scroll down until we find the app setting. So this is the app setting and I'm going to tap on it. And then we have to select the application that we want to move from internal storage to SD card. And just remember guys that not all the application can be moved to SD card. As far as I know, the application that can be moved to SD card is applications such as Instagram and Telegram. So you have to check it first. You have to check whether the application can be moved or not. And for example, I'm just going to select Instagram. So just tap on Instagram application and then we can click on the storage option. So this is the storage option, then tap on it. Then since we want to move to the SD card, we just need to click on change option right here. And then we can click on SD card. And after that, the application will be moved to SD card. Alright guys, and that's how we can move application from internal storage to SD card on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.